Hey, it's Garrett Brill and Jack White. We're out here testing the AEE Mach4 today. What we're going to do right now is just a flight time test. We're going to put this up at, we have near zero winds today. I mean, hardly anything. So very realistic on kind of an ideal day. You can see we have 100% battery. We're going to take off and put this at right around maybe 50 feet and just let it sit in a hover until 15%, which time it'll land, and that will be our test. So we're going to go, Jack, if you want to go ahead and take off, and as soon as you do, I will start the timer. And go. Put up about 50 feet. All right. So we're sitting in a hover at 50 feet, and we're going to go ahead and we'll be back whenever this thing lands, and we'll capture the time. Okay, let's see if we can get it. So here's what we're getting on it. We're at 35, and we're about to stop it whenever its flight is complete. You can see that or not. 36, and stop. So there is the actual flight time that we're getting outside is just over 36 minutes. The flight conditions, because that's going to be important for this, the flight conditions, we're at 500 feet AGL here in North Texas. Temperature is 74 degrees Fahrenheit, winds 4 to 7 miles an hour. And as far as the payloads, we had the standard optic on the front that you would fly in most of your missions, and we had no second payload. So there's the actual flight time that we're receiving. Advertised was 40. We're getting 36. That's not too bad at all.